7 things that happen to your body when you kiss someone. Kissing someone you love doesn't just make you and your partner feel good and strengthen your bond. Turns out, it has a lot of health benefits. For example, you might not feel in the mood to kiss your loved one when you have a headache, but that's exactly what can help you get rid of it. Number 1. Your arteries might be healthier. A study found that people who kissed more often had lower levels of cholesterol. When you're kissing, your body starts to produce more oxytocin. This hormone helps relieve stress and anxiety that can contribute to high levels of cholesterol. Kissing can also help lower your blood pressure. Number 2. Your allergic reaction might become less intense. Kissing decreases stress and fills you with positive emotions, which can help reduce allergies. However, you should keep in mind that if your partner eats something you're allergic to, it can cause an allergic reaction. Number 3. Your face might look younger. A lot of facial muscles are involved when you're kissing, so it tones your face like a real workout. Per minute, you can even burn up to 26 calories. And because kissing increases blood flow to your face, it can stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, which might help make your face look younger. Number 4. Your headache or cramps might get milder. If you have a headache or menstrual cramps, it might be a good idea to try to relieve pain by kissing. Kissing dilates your blood vessels and lowers your blood pressure, so it can help reduce pain. Number 5. Your teeth might become less likely to get cavities. Kissing increases the production of saliva, which can protect your teeth from harmful bacteria and prevent tooth decay. Some experts also say that the mineral ions in saliva can even help repair small lesions in tooth enamel. However, your oral hygiene and that of your partners is very important, because there are also cavity-causing bacteria that can get transferred when you're kissing. Number 6. You might lose weight. Kissing also makes your body produce more dopamine. If there isn't enough of this hormone in your body, you might have more food cravings, which usually means you might want to eat something unhealthy and high in calories. And even after you've eaten it, you might not be fully satisfied. Higher levels of dopamine can control your appetite and help prevent weight gain. Number 7. You might feel less sleepy. Dopamine also affects your energy levels. If your dopamine levels are low, you might feel more tired and need more sleep than usual. That's why kissing can increase your body's wakefulness.